Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. This is your reading. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. Pero kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, maaaring ang reading nito ay para sa'yo. Pero of course, pwedeng hindi 100% ka makarelate dito. Jing Tarot Reader. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And kung gusto mo namang makaranas ng palm reading mula sa akin, all you have to do is mag-avail ka lang ng aking bracelet. Mga piyaw bracelet dun sa aking TikTok shop. And yeah. May free na palm reading yan. Pampaswerte yan, guys. Real crystals ang ginamit. Start na natin ang reading. This is for the sign of Virgo. Sorry about my cards. Medyo luma na kasi siya. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-shuffle. But anyway, this is one of my favorite card. So, gagamitin ko pa rin siya. Nine of Wands. Okay. The Magician, the Nine of Wands. This is your energy. Pwedeng mahilig ka sa mga occult science. Mahilig ka sa, dito sa mga tarot readings. And pwedeng may ideas ka rin. But for what I can see here with the Nine of Wands, I can see boundaries. Maybe there's this person in your mind right now na parang nagkakaroon ng boundary sa inyong dalawa. Maybe because of another relationship, you wish na parang sana tayo. Pero with the Hermit, you could be dealing with another Virgo. Gusto mong magkaroon ng kayo, pero for now, ayaw mong mag-reach out sa taong to. Yeah, kasi pwedeng actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung rason mo ba't ayaw mag-reach out. Pero sa nakikita natin dito, kung may boundaries, pwedeng isa yun sa nagiging dahilan kung bakit ayaw mag-reach out. Pero, yeah. Anyway, sino ba to person na to? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. I like what you're doing. Kung ikaw ay kasalukuyang may mga inaaral, inaalam, para mas mag-grow ka pa as a person. Nandyan, tuloy-tuloy, tuloy-tuloy. You're really focused on that. And may mga nangyayari or may mga natututunan ka talaga. And tuloy-tuloy ito. This is your person. You do have here the Chariot and Eight of Cups. Could be dealing with a Cancer or a water sign. Scorpio, Pisces. Page of Cups is here. Nakikita natin yung person na ito na parang tinatry niyang ayusin yung sarili niya. I feel like tinatry niya mag-move on pero hindi siya maka-move on. Could be someone in the past. Hindi niya kaya mag-move on Because alam naman niya sa sarili niya na there's a lot of love na nararamdaman siya towards you. But, pwedeng kung ano man yung mga sigalot or situation niya ngayon, tinatry niyang ayusin or tapusin. Ano yung emotions niya towards you? Spirit guides, angel guides. For the sign of Virgo. You have here the hammer. So, yeah. Tinatry niyang ayusin. Like, the hammer is about rebuilding. Wina-workout niya or inaayos niya kung ano man yung situation niya ngayon. Tinatry niyang, you have here the photograph. Tinatry niyang mag-build ng something ngayon. But, of course, nandun pa rin yung lagi ka niya naaalala eh. This person miss you a lot. And, yeah, with the coffin, kung ano man yung ending na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon, this is actually not yet the perfect time, pero tama lang yung mga nangyayari. Alam mo yun? Especially if you're dealing with your soulmate, with your twin flame. Kung ano man yung nangyayari sa inyo na separation or pagkawala ng communication, it is because kailangan muna ng changes. Okay, kailangan muna ng changes. And hindi magkakaroon ng changes, lalo na sa side ng person mo, kung hindi niya mararanasan yung mga bagay na yun. So, ano yung mga nasa emotions mo towards this person? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo, the chaser. Yeah, you are being the chaser in a way na hindi naman ikaw yung naghahabol, literal. But, through this occult science or through this tarot reading, syempre, ikaw yung nanonood. Yung iba sa inyo napadalas yung panonood mo ng mga nakaraan. Because, ikaw yung chaser dito sa connection. You're wishing, you're hoping for this person na bumalik sa buhay mo to have a relationship with this person. Pero at the same time, nakikita natin kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo, masaya ka lang. Okay, masaya ka lang. You do have your paradise. Pwedeng masaya ka na lang rin para sa kanya or sa mga nangyayari sa kanya. But with the healthy choices, this is you being happier. This is all about self-love. Okay, nanonood ka ng tarot reading pero it doesn't mean maghahabol ka sa kanya. Parang ganun. Yung chaser dito is pagdating lang sa usaping spiritual. Pwedeng mas lamang yung alam mo. And at the same time, pwedeng nandun yung pagkagusto mong malaman kung kamusta na ba siya through tarot readings, yung iba yung pagpapahula or what. Gusto mong magkaroon ng idea kung kamusta na ba siya. Yun lang naman. But all in all, with the paradise, you're already happy. Maybe tinatry mong i-cut off yung person na ito to focus. Or maybe gusto mo lang magpaka-busy para hindi mo siya maalala, hindi mo siya maisip. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? For the sign of Virgo, please. For the sign of Virgo in the near future. For the sign of Virgo. Okay, you do have here the Judgment. Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Seven of Wands. Okay. Kukuha na rin ako ng card mula sa deck na ito. May nararamdaman akong feeling na pwedeng in the near future you would try to get out of your comfort zone. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga aralin ka na hindi mo naman siya feel or hindi mo alam or akalain na aaralin mo yun. Maybe it has something to do with the skills. Yung iba pwede may kinalaman sa music, yung iba pwede may kinalaman sa pagdadrive ng sasakyan or something. Yung ganun. So, pwedeng aralin mo siya in the near future. Okay, the Nine of Swords is here. And the, this is the Four of Swords pala. Four of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. Clarify natin to. Lightning is here. What's with the Judgment and the Seven of Wands? The Soulmate is here. Hand of Cards. Sword and a Rose. Okay. Mm-hmm. I feel like the advice for you is you have to love yourself. I mean, the Ace of Cups is all about self-love. I mean, about love. Pero with the Ace of Pentacles, um, this is like yung mga material na bagay na nasa harapan mo ngayon. And, yeah, bukod sa mga, maybe career, or yung mga bagay na nasa harapan mo ngayon, you have to treasure that. You have to love that. You have to love yourself. Yung mga bagong dumadating sa'yo na may kinalaman sa pera, I can see, there's this 10 of Pentacles. So, magbubunga lahat ng yan ng malaki. As in, biglaan. Magugulat ka na lang, biglaan. Malaki yung pwedeng ma-accomplish mo dyan sa mga bagay na yan. So, bakit ko sinabing you have to love yourself for now? You have to focus on yourself, your health, etc. Kasi mabibigla ka na lang dito sa taong to. Babalik yung taong to. 3 of Cups is here. Babalik yung taong to. Tatapusin niya lang yung mga dapat niyang tapusin. There's this lightning. Alam mo noon pa man din, pagbabalik yung taong ito sa buhay mo, laging magugulat ka na lang. Di ba? Hindi mo ina-expect na ganito yung balita. Mahilig siya talaga sa surprises. Or yung situation ninyo is laging may mga surprises. So, you have to keep on loving yourself. You have to focus on your health, your body, your face, kung paano pagagandahin, papupugiin, etc. Yung katawan mo, paano magiging mas healthy. You know why? Kasi dadating tong a person na ito ng biglaan. And with the coffee and the love, oo, matagal siya talaga. Because, so ngayon, hindi pa naman talaga siya handa sa kung ano man yung situation niya, pero eventually, biglaan, dadating itong person na ito. There's a lot of love coming from this person, and mabibigla ka na lang. Dahil may malaking pagbabago, na pag nangyari itong pagbabago na ito, biglang dadating itong I don't know if you call this person buang, pero parang yun yung naririnig ko, it's like buang, or hindi ko kasi alam kung anong language yun. So, pwedeng galing siya sa, or ikaw, doon sa language, and this could be your reading. You do have the engagement ring. So, this is union, this is partnership, commitment sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. And you will be talking, or time will come na pag-uusapan ninyo itong seduction. Ito yung mga iba't ibang taong dumadating sa buhay ninyo. Like, could be mga naging boyfriend or mga naging ex. High chance sa mga ex to, guys. Seduction. And we do have your talking. So, pwede kung may ka-connection ngayon, there's this malalaman mo na lang na itong yung mga patungkol dito sa the snake, which is this could be a third party situation or third person sa buhay niya ngayon. This could be the other man or the other woman sa buhay niya. So, there's this communication sa inyong dalawa na parang mababalitaan mo na lang with the coffin. Wala na. Okay, wala na siya. Hindi na kami. Pwede ganun. Ikakagulat mo tong malaking balita na to. And babalik siya to tell you about this. So, sabi ko, yung pinaka-advice ko sa'yo is you have to be ready. Oo, hindi halata ngayong babalik siya. Pero time will come, babalik siya. And kailangan mahalin mo lang yung sarili mo, be open lang. Kasi pag yung time na ito, na bumalik yung person mo, you do have here this hand of cards. This is choice. This is options. And, wait lang, may insekto. So, this is options. And kailangan mong mag-take ng risk dito. Pwedeng with the sword and rose, dito sa clarity, there's this truth or katotohanan or clarity na matututunan mo. But some of you, ang meaning to is someone, or something in your life, ang kailangan mo ding i-cut off. Pagkadating nitong taong ito. I don't know what is that. Maybe your career, your situation, or could be another person in your life. Basta magugulat ka na lang. There's this love offer with the Ace of Cups na ibibigay itong person nito. And with the Ten of Wands, this is coming from your person. This is responsibility na parang handa ng akuin or handa na ang person mo para sa responsibilidad na ito. Na pwedeng hindi niya ito nakikita yung sarili niya na may responsibilidad siyang ganito, but in the future, handa na ako. May ganong energy. So yeah, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.